Hello everyone. I'm Natasha Ho. Welcome to The Dish. This is your 2-minute tip to help you cook better food. Today it's summertime, so I want to talk about grilling and how to get really great results from your grill. Just 3 really quick things that can help you get great results when you're grilling. First and foremost is making sure that you are cooking on a clean grill. This is super important for multiple reasons. One, it prevents sticking. A dirty grill is the number one reason that food will stick to the grates of your grill, so make sure to clean those off. Number 2, it will help with getting those signature grill marks if that's what you're going for from an aesthetic point of view. Making sure that your grill is clean will help you with that. And also, it helps from a sanitary reason. Making sure that we have a clean grill will prevent any leftover residue bacteria from being on the good, clean food that you're cooking currently. The next thing to understand about cooking with your grill is the different areas of heat that you'll have available on your grill. So you can have direct heat and indirect heat. Direct heat is anytime that you're cooking directly over the heat source, that is direct heat. So you're going to be cooking with a very high temperature if you're using a direct heat source. If you're using indirect, you're moving the food away from the heat source, so you're cooking adjacent to the heat source. So you're not going to be getting as high or intense of a temperature. You're going to allow the food to cook more gently and slower. And then finally, the last thing to understand is using the lid of your grill. And really, this is a key part of becoming a grill master, is learning how to use that lid properly. And you can use the lid of your grill to create an environment of indirect heat, more like convection that's happening by allowing the heat to surround the food. This is really important if you're trying to smoke the food, because you're going to capture that smoke and allow the smoke to permeate and add flavor to your food. So those are the 3 important things to understand if you are going to be grilling. And if you want to dive even deeper into how to get great results using grilling and heat in general, you have to come on over to my Facebook group, Travel and Feast. We're starting my Birthday Backyard BBQ today to celebrate my birthday, which is this week, and I want to celebrate it with you. So come on over to Travel and Feast. We're starting today at 1 p.m. Pacific time, today, July 20th, and then we'll be continuing throughout the rest of this week. I'll be in the group tomorrow, Wednesday at 1 p.m., and Thursday, my actual birthday, at 1 p.m. Pacific time each day. So you come on over there and join me. And if you are not able to join live, you can also catch the replays. Just make sure to register on my website, heynatashaboo.com/BBQ, to get all of the details, the recipes, and the replay. So I look forward to seeing you there later on today. And until then, take care. Bye.